Hi everybody, I'm Danny Dancer. I'm the social studies educator here at Children's Museum Houston, and today we're going to be taking a closer look at pencils. Now, this is just an average pencil. I'm going to show you how you can actually take your pencil and make it a little cooler looking, a little fancier, so that the next time you go to grab it, you'll be like, oh, and whatever it is you were about to use that for, whether it is doing an assignment, whether it is writing a story, whether it's marking down a list or writing lyrics to a song or drawing a picture, whatever it is, you're going to be so excited and inspired by your fancy pants pencil.